tell you, even if you give me 5 terms gratis, and the system remains, and the practice of corruption, which is already embedded in all of the government structures. Every table there, basta dadaan ng papel, meron talagang kalukuhan. Hindi naman lahat, pero karamihan. It's almost a plague already affecting our country for so many decades, from one administration to the other. There was this meeting last night with the cabinet members here present. Sinabi ko talaga sa kanila, I do not want delay. Delay is what is eating, eroding this government. Pagka pabalik-balikin mo yung tao, even the register of deeds or civil registrar sa birth certificate, nandoon talaga yung little corruption. Ang malaki dito sa itaas, as I have told you before, pitsi lang yan sa baba. The corruption lies in the higher echelons of government. But I can say to you that the cabinet members, most of them of late, are almost all military men retired. Why? Kasi gusto kong tignan ninyo. Because I know that the armed forces and the police will have to decide one day, somehow. Do not do it, please, during my term. I've told you before, all you have to do, kung ayaw din niyo ako, do not bring your weapons and mechanized irons there. Just call me and we'll have coffee, and I'm ready to say it's yours for the taking.